Good morning, all everyone. Can you imagine it where we are today? Actually, today we are going to Bardea National Park. Now we are on the Karnali Bridge. We are enjoying here a lot by the beauty of the nature and wonderful construction of this Babai Bridge. I'm so sorry. I think I said before it's Karnali Bridge, not it's Babai Bridge. And now we are enjoying by the beauty of the nature. This is Bardea National Park, and we are going to Thakurdwar. We are with advanced language learner students, and life is for today. We have to enjoy a lot. It's for living, it's for learning new and new things, and it's for enjoying. So today we are enjoying a lot. You can view the beauty of the Bardea National Park. You know that well, Nepal is a nice gift given by nature. So we have to utilize our nature by enjoying. Why to go other countries? Our Nepal is enough to do anything, for enjoying, for doing anything. They are my lovely students. All we are going to Bardea National Park. It's our Vivek sir. Okay, Vivek, you.
Hello, I'm Vivek from England.
Okay.
And we are having fun here with natural places and going to Bardea National Park, having great fun.
Okay.
Okay, see you.
Thank you.
Okay, I am Bisalgiri from Korea. I am going Bardea National Park to
Are you enjoying with your trip?
with natural beauty.
Good, thanks. Okay. It's Puskar from.
Hi, I'm Puskar. I'm from Rukum. Now we want to enjoy too much in the nature.
It means you are internal tourist, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. You are very good, handsome boy, and it's okay. Next boy, I'm going.
I am Manav. I am from California.
California.
Okay, now I am enjoying with my friend in